Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that from Amhara and Afar region we have received many important updates about the ongoing war. Viewers, first of all, I will talk to you about the claim made by Tigray Defense Force regarding Vichale. After that, important information received about the DESI. I will inform you about this. And after that, some important information about the Eritrean army has been received. And I will inform you about this. Viewers, in the yesterday's video, I inform you that Tigray Defense Force claimed that Tigray Defense Force soldiers had taken control of several places around Vichale and Vargisa. But according to reports received this morning, heavy airstrikes have been carried out by the Ethiopian Air Force. According to reports from the Amhara region, dozens of civilians have been killed and dozens have been injured as a result of an airstrikes carried out by the Ethiopian Air Force today morning. For the statement from the Ethiopian Air Force about this, that Tigray Defense Force bases has been targeted in these airstrikes. But now, the latest reports from Tigray Defense Force are being received. According to this, Tigray Defense Force has gained full control over Vichale after heavy fighting. Viewers, Tigray Defense Force side claims a while ago that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have entered Vichale after defeating the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies, and have gained full control over Vichale. But no statement regarding Tigray Defense Force claim has yet been made by the Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces. Because due to heavy war and airstrike, hundreds of citizens are migrating from these areas to Dessie and Kambolcha. So far, hundreds of civilians have lost their lives along with soldiers in the war that began last week. But now, Tigray Defense Force has taken control of Vichale, and now the fighting continues in the surrounding areas of Vichale. Because reportedly, Tigray Defense Force soldiers have entered in South Wollo 2 days ago, and it is being claimed that Tigray Defense Force soldiers are now close to Dessie city. On the other hand, according to many reports, it is confirmed that a large number of Ethiopian military and Ethiopian National Defense Force troops have been seen leaving Dessie for Kambolcha. Ethiopian and Amhara forces move from Dessie to Kambolcha, where Tigray Defense Force launches offensive in Kombolcha. Viewers, it is unclear what her Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces withdrew from Dessie and relocated to Kombolcha city to stop Tigray Defense forces fighting Kombolcha. Meanwhile, there are reports the Ethiopian troops from Dessie to Kombolcha have been intercepted because in the Afar 4th zone, the Tigray Defense Force completely destroyed the Ethiopian National Defense Force and took control on Chifra. This is also a large Tigrayan army crossing Chifra towards Dessie and Kombolcha. US Tigray Defense Force forces on their way to Dessie have crossed Gira and Lake, and reports that Tigray Defense Force artillery shells have hit the town of Vargisa, where Amhara and Ethiopian militias are based, and Tigray forces have taken full control of the town of Vichale. Because on the other hand, it was claimed by the Tigray Defense Force Journal yesterday that Tigray Defense Force soldiers had taken control of the Imbecile Mountains. But now it is claimed by the Ethiopian Air Force that the Ethiopian Air Force has made great achievement in Imbecile district. So far, no clear information about Imbecile district, and fighting is still going on in and around Imbecile. Viewers, on the other hand, Tigray Defense Force sources have claimed that Tigray Defense Force has won big victories against the Ethiopian National Defense Force in the Amhara region today. Some photos from Tigray Defense Force are shared that you can see on your screen. According to Tigray Defense Force, Tigray Defense Force has destroyed heavy armored vehicles of Ethiopian National Defense Force, and many Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers have been killed and injured in this fight. Because the report about the Eritrean army is that the Eritreans seem to be playing a relatively small role in the current fighting. There are reports that President Isaias has maintained his forces along Ethiopia's northern border, which runs along northern Tigray. Areas allocated to Eritrea by the International Boundary Commission have been held, but no much more. There are suggestions that Eritrea has dug 5 lines of trenches to try to prevent the Tigrayan from advancing toward Asmara once the fighting in the south is over. Eritrean forces are also stationed in western Tigray, preventing the Tigrayans from establishing a supply line to Sudan. So viewers, so far the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.